All right, let's get right into it. You see those super slick, professional-looking videos all over the internet, right? And you're probably thinking, man, they must be using some ridiculously expensive software. Well, I'm going to let you in on a secret. They're not. The top creators are using these powerful, and get this, free AI tools that do all the heavy lifting. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly which ones they are so you can do it too.
But first, we got to talk about the struggle, because it's real. We've all been there. You find a tool, it screams free at you, you pour an hour of your life into editing, and just as you're about to export, bam, you get hit with a catch. It's the oldest trick in the book.
You go in expecting to create this amazing, easy, professional video. But what's the reality? A giant, obnoxious watermark plastered right over your hard work. You think it's free to use? Nope. All the best features, the ones you actually need, are locked behind a paywall. And you wanted something quick and simple, but instead you're forced into this nightmare maze of signups and subscription offers. It's all designed to make you just give up and pay. So frustrating.
But listen, that whole frustrating game is becoming a thing of the past. And why? Because the AI revolution is officially here, and it has completely, and I mean completely, leveled the playing field for creators like us. Think of it like this. AI is now your own personal expert video editor who works 24/7 and doesn't ask for a paycheck.
So what even is an AI video editor? Well, it's basically a super smart tool that automates all the boring, tedious, time-sucking tasks. We're talking about generating perfectly synced captions in a click, cutting your background out without needing a green screen, cleaning up your audio. It can even help fix the color in your footage. It literally turns a messy folder of raw clips into polished, ready-to-post content in just a few minutes.
So, let's get to the good stuff. The reason you clicked on this. We're about to meet the all-stars, the absolute best-in-class tools that are genuinely free, unbelievably powerful, and most important of all, they leave zero watermark on your final video.
First up, we have CapCut. You've probably heard of this one. If TikTok and Instagram had a favorite video editor, this would be it, hands down. It's the absolute go-to for any creator who needs to pump out trendy, fast-paced content for social media and, let's be honest, needed it done yesterday.
And the amount of power you get for free here is just insane. The auto captions? Shockingly accurate. They save you so much time. The background removal literally works with a single click. No green screen required. It's got this massive library of templates and effects that are always up to date with whatever's trending. And the best part? It syncs perfectly between your phone and your computer.
So the bottom line is this. CapCut is absolutely perfect for beginners and social media creators who care more about speed than anything else. If you need to get a great-looking reel or a TikTok out the door in like under 10 minutes, this is your weapon of choice.
Okay, now we're going to do a complete 180 and talk about something on the other end of the spectrum, DaVinci Resolve. Now look, this is not some simple little app. This is the real deal. It's the shockingly powerful software that actual Hollywood professionals use to edit and color grade feature films, and it's free. And what you get is just mind-blowing. We're talking professional-grade color correction tools that can make a dull gray day look like a vibrant sunny paradise. It has this AI neural engine that does incredible things like tracking faces automatically or creating that super buttery smooth slow motion. It's an all-in-one suite for editing, color, special effects, and audio. Oh, and it exports in beautiful 4K.
But, okay, here's the catch. DaVinci Resolve is for serious creators, the people who want truly professional results and are willing to put in the time to learn it. The power you get is almost unlimited, but it definitely comes with a steeper learning curve. If you want ultimate control over your video, this is your free studio.
All right, our third all-star is a little different. It's Microsoft's secret weapon, Clipchamp. And this one is all about one thing. Convenience. It's a browser-based editor that's actually built right into Windows, which means a lot of you probably already have it on your computer and don't even know it.
The real beauty of Clipchamp is just how easy it is to access. It runs right in your browser, so there's nothing to download or install. It has some neat AI features too, like one that can automatically create a little video montage for you, another that can generate a voiceover from text, and of course auto subtitles. And the free plan is super generous. You get watermark-free exports in 1080p HD, which is perfect for most things you'll ever need.
So who's this for? Well, it's for anyone who needs to make a quick edit, maybe for a school project or a work presentation, and for anyone who just absolutely hates downloading and installing new software. It's clean, it's simple, and it just works. So let's just break it all down in one simple chart. You can see the trade-offs at a glance, right? For social media speed, you're picking CapCut every time. For that professional, cinematic power, it's got to be DaVinci Resolve. And for pure, simple convenience, Clipchamp is your answer. All three are fantastic, and let me say it again, all three are free with no watermarks.
Now, you might be sitting there wondering, okay, but how does all this AI magic actually work? It seems super complex, but honestly, the ideas behind it are pretty straightforward. So let's demystify it for a second.
Let's just take auto captioning as an example. First, the AI listens to your video and analyzes the audio waveform, those little squiggly lines. Then it uses speech recognition, kind of like Siri or Alexa, to turn those sounds into text. After that, it syncs that text perfectly to the exact moment you're speaking. Or think about background removal. The AI has been trained on millions and millions of images, so it knows what a person looks like. It then creates this perfect digital outline or a mask around you in every single frame, instantly separating you from whatever is behind you. It's not magic, it's just really, really clever tech doing all the boring work for us.
Okay, so we've covered the tools, we've covered the tech, now it's decision time. Let's figure out which one of these editors is the perfect match for you.
Just ask yourself this one simple question. Is my main goal to make eye-catching, trendy videos for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels, and do I need to do it, like, right now? If you're nodding your head yes, then CapCut is your go-to. Seriously, don't even overthink it. Just download it, and I promise you'll have your first video finished in minutes.
Or is your goal a little different? Do you want to create videos that look cinematic, that feel high-end, where you have precise control over every single little detail, from the color to the sound design?
If that sounds more like you, then DaVinci Resolve is your free studio. It's a commitment for sure, but the results you can get are genuinely professional.
So look, the main takeaway here is this. The barriers are gone. The days when you needed super expensive equipment and software that cost thousands of dollars just to make something look professional, those days are over. All you really need now is a good idea. You just need a story to tell.
The tools we talked about today are completely free, and they're just sitting there, waiting for you to use them. The tutorials are all over the internet. The only thing left to do is to actually create something. So the real question isn't how to make a video anymore. The question is, what story are you going to tell?